Hello, my name is Tony Bousted and I'm the College Manager for Culinary Arts and Hospitality Programmes here at Wirral Met. Now, part of my role also involves being a champion for the Liverpool City Region visitor economy. And in its simplest terms, this describes the benefits to a particular area or region when people decide to visit shops, restaurants, cafes, bars, coffee shops and other similar outlets. But the benefits don't stop there. There are also benefits to young people because jobs are created within the visitor economy. And the visitor economy growth is highly dependent on a qualified and skilled workforce. And this is where my team come in. So my team will spend the next couple of years working with you to develop your skills, your knowledge, and your behaviours to enable you to become work ready. And this should hopefully support your decision to come into a diverse, expanding and dynamic industry. So let's meet the team.
Hi, my name's Ada Williams. I'm a chef lecturer here at Wirral Met College, course tutor for the NVQ2 full-time. I also teach on the level 2 and level 3 patisserie and confectionery course. Welcome to Wirral Met College.
I'm Chris Parry. Welcome to Wirral Met College and I hope you enjoy your time with us. I teach the food hygiene and food allergens courses, and I also teach the theory to many of the different level of courses we have in the department. I will meet all of you during the first 2 weeks of your course to help you to get the food hygiene qualification before you go into your kitchen practicals. My task for you is to remember the social distancing rules and come up with a list of steps for people to follow when they're working in the kitchens in college. How will social distancing change the work that we do? I hope you have a good summer and I look forward to meeting you all in September.
My name's Jo Masterman and I'm a learning support technician here at Wirral Met College. I'm normally based in TK2 kitchen and I'm here to support you during your practical sessions, so please don't be afraid to ask for any help. I'm very approachable and I look forward to seeing you all soon.
Hello, my name's Julie Smith and I'm a trainer assessor at Wirral Metropolitan College. My job role is involved with apprentices and apprenticeships, so if you're looking to become a chef or a front of house team member or hospitality supervisor, then I will work closely with you and your employer to get it started, to deliver your standards and qualifications to help you develop your skills, knowledge and behaviours throughout the duration of your course.
Yes, hi everybody. Welcome to Wirral Met College. My name's Mr. Knox and I teach level 3 professional cookery, that is practical and theory. With that, I also help out in level 1s and level 2s.
Hello, my name is Helen Castry and I'm the manager for the Birch's Training Restaurant. I teach food service skills where you will be serving members of the general public either at lunchtime or on a Thursday evening. My task for you is to conduct some research on alcohol-free cocktails. I would then like you to design your own cocktail, giving it a unique name. The best cocktail will be showcased in the Birch's restaurant when we reopen. I look forward to meeting you all in September.
Hi, I'm Mr. Gibbs. 10 years ago, I also started studying here at Wirral Met. I now have the pleasure to teach here as a chef lecturer. I teach the NVQ Level 1 and the Level 2 Technical Certificate. I look forward to supporting you through your time at college. Welcome to Wirral Met.
Okay, now you've met the team, so it's my turn to set you one final task. And my task is to ask you to see if you can find as many words that you can with 3 letters or more that are related to food and drink, and that's important, that you can find within the word metropolitan. So how many words of 3 letters or more can you find within the word Metropolitan, which of course forms part of Wirral Metropolitan College. And I'll give you a few examples. So a 3-letter word might be tea, a 4-letter word might be meal, a 5-letter word might be melon, and a 6-letter word might be teapot. But between myself and my colleagues, we've actually found another 50 that relate to food and drink. So let's see how well you can do, and we will catch up again in September. Have a great summer, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.